Understanding, training in tandem, enhance your English skills. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, training in tandem. This expression is not only vivid but also packed with meaning. We're going to explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's a great addition to your English vocabulary. So, whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to polish your skills, you're in the right place. Training in tandem refers to the concept of two or more people, groups, or entities learning or practicing something together, in a way that they support and enhance each other's progress. The word tandem originally denotes a bicycle designed for two riders seated one behind the other, which symbolizes coordination and partnership. This phrase can be applied in various contexts such as sports, education, and professional development. When individuals or teams engage in training in tandem, they share insights, challenge each other, and work towards common goals. It emphasizes the power of collaboration and mutual support in achieving personal or collective milestones. To better grasp how to use training in tandem, let's look at some examples. The new recruits are training in tandem with the experienced officers to enhance their skills. We're planning to do language training in tandem, so we can practice speaking more fluently together. Their team is training in tandem for the upcoming marathon, sharing strategies and motivation. These sentences show how training together can be more effective and enjoyable than doing it alone. Training in tandem is not just about learning together, it's about building a community of learners who feel more motivated and engaged. Some key benefits include enhanced learning through the exchange of ideas and experiences, increased motivation as partners encourage each other to push their limits, greater accountability, making it easier to stick to training schedules or learning plans. We hope this video has shed light on the rich meaning of training in tandem and inspired you to incorporate more collaborative learning into your life. Remember, training with a partner or in a group can make the journey more enjoyable and the goals more attainable. Thank you for watching, and happy learning! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. See you in the next video.